Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to transfer money from Grab to bank account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to transfer your funds from your Grab Pay or Grab wallet here to your bank account, well, it's completely possible, but there are a few things that you may need to understand. So later on, I'll be discussing that. So in this case, first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just open up the Grab Pay or the Grab app here, and you want to go and click on Finance that you see at the center section of your screen. Now, inside the Finance page here, you should see your payment and also your Grab Pay wallet. Now, what you need to select here is going to be the transfer option that you see at the center of the screen. So that includes the cash in, scan to pay. So go and just click on transfer that you see at the center of your screen. And once you've done that, this will redirect you to the transfer page. Now, just to give you some idea, like what I said before, there are a few conditions here in order for you to make your transfer. Now, the first condition here is you need to have the appropriate transferable balance. Now, it depends on how you actually cashed in. Like, for example, if you cashed in via a debit card or through other means or through an e-wallet or whatever option here, well, you'll be able to transfer that back into your bank account. But if you cashed in into your Grab wallet here via your credit card or from a foreign card outside of your country, well, you won't be able to make your you won't be able to transfer those funds. So if you want to know how much you can actually transfer, you can refer to the transferable balance at the very top here. So the off after the off section here, that's the amount that you have right now on your Grab Pay wallet. Now the 44, the blue highlighted amount there at the top left, that's where you can actually see the amount that you can actually transfer. Now you can go and select this as well to see the whole breakdown. And if you want to make the transfer via to your bank account, you go and click on the option here that says another bank account or e-wallet. Now from then on, you can go and select your bank account. They may require you to log in or provide the details of your bank account, like the account number. So just provide the account number for your bank account in there and just fill out some details. And by the way, in order for you to access or fully access this page here, you may need to verify yourself. So you may need to provide an ID and also do a quick selfie of yourself in order for you to confirm yourself to make the transfer. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.